Hi, thanks for watching. It's Kurt, Walco Seed Cleaning here. Now, one of the questions I get asked a reasonable amount is, why have I got weevil in my pickled grain? Now, it is a big issue in South Australia with weevil control. There's a lot of issues with resistance from the weevil, the insecticides not actually having any or too much effect on them at all. But we're finding that it doesn't matter what variety you have, barley seems to be the worst one with insects coming into it. And in another video that I'm going to do, it'll show you a bit more about the life cycle of the weevil and how best you can actually attack it. But in pickled grain, basically we recommend actually an extra insecticide in the grain, especially in barley. For only a few dollars extra a tonne, it's definitely a worthwhile investment. That's really the only extra thing you can do other than putting it into a stored, into a silo that's actually a sealed silo, like 100% sealed. Like I say, liquid insecticide that we actually put on as an extra is a good thing to do. And the other option to do is to basically every month keep up with the phostoxin tablets, just to try and combat the breeding of the weevil. And once we get into the colder months of the season, because obviously during grading season, if we get in early, we definitely recommend a liquid insecticide. But later on in the season, if you've only got 1 or 2 months left to put your seed in the ground, then you can obviously just got to keep them at bay until the weather starts cooling down. If you want to know more, just click on my website. Feel free to give me a call. Details are down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.